Like it, play it, share it, sing it, move it, check it, dedicate it. Like it, play it, share it, sing it, move it, check it, dedicate it. Go zoom it.
Well, Sunday शाम को time हो गया है 6 o'clock, which means time हो गया है to meet you guys, to talk to you people, to listen to some songs, take your requests, and not to forget to get to know what these Bollywood celebs are up to through their Twitter updates. Well guys, this is your social jockey Nikita and you're watching Zoom It. And आज के इस एपिसोड में सबसे पहले तो हम अपनी पहली रिक्वेस्ट ही देखेंगे. So let's check out our first request, which is लुंगी डांस. तो रिक्वेस्ट किया है राज रत्ना ने for SRK and Deepika. And उनका मैसेज is, hey Nikita, मेरी रिक्वेस्ट प्लीज प्ले करना. I want to dedicate this awesome number लुंगी डांस to both SRK and Deepika. I want to tell them कि जब भी ये गाना क्लब में बजता है, I go man, not only फ्लोर पर आती हूँ पर अजनबियों को भी खींच कर ले आती हूँ. I am an SRK fan. चलो good you clear that you are an SRK fan. लेकिन चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस देखकर कोई भी उनका फैन बन जाएगा. वैसे साल में एक बार आते हैं, but when he does show up on the big screen, I am sure his charm works on everyone. So now for all the SRK fans, we have a tweet not from SRK but from Farah Khan, who has tweeted saying, and the Mehuna moment. You know, इस पिक्चर को we should compare with the past Mehuna and the current. लेकिन ये सब करेंगे बाद में. अभी के लिए we look at our next request, which is a video request. So let's see.
My name is Mizang and I want to dedicate Dadu Desi song from Cocktail to my closest friend Amit Dutra, as we are chuddy buddies and whenever we meet we have so much fun around there. Thank you.
So basically for all the fun moments and the Desi Daru moments that you've had with your chuddy buddy Amit, this song is for you. Well, अब देसी दारू लुंगी डांस तो हो गया. अब टाइम है एक ब्रेक का, तो कहीं मत जाइए. Keep talking to me on my Twitter handle @GoZoomIt and I'll be back.
Go zoom it. Go zoom it.
Hello and welcome back again guys. This is your social jockey Nikita and you're watching Zoom It. अब वक्त है हमारी अगली रिक्वेस्ट देखने का, which is तेरे मेरे बीच में, and it is requested by Indira for Janvi. And उनका message is, she is my friend but she's always checking on me, so I'm dedicating this song to her. Stop being a CID in life and live your life without any fear. I won't steal your boyfriend. We are just friends, so chill babes. कोई बात नहीं, थोड़ी इनसिक्योरिटी तो अलाउड है, बट इतना भी नहीं that you start spying over your friends. And अगर फ्रेंड है तो थोड़ा ट्रस्ट भी तो रखो यार. So now moving on, we have our next request, which is a song जो आपकी परेशानी दूर कर देगा, but it says परेशान because our next song is परेशान. And let's look at the request.
My name is Sheena Advani. I would like to dedicate a song, मैं परेशान, to my son Nikhil Advani. I'm standing outside the passport office. He is right inside. 3 hours, and I'm really getting परेशान outside.
So basically, are you getting परेशान with your son Nikhil, or are you getting परेशान because you're waiting for him? Well, जो भी हो, लेकिन ये गाना आपकी परेशानी जरूर दूर कर देगा. अब परेशानी के बाद let's look at our next request, which is हर एक friend जो dedicate किया है सिमरन ने for Kamu, and उनका message is, hey guys, this song is for you, missing all our college days, our backbench comments, our nonsense lies for not doing the assignments and acting of being ill, our canteen vela panti, missing all these things in life. Love you guys. College के दिन, you know, however old you grow, लेकिन ये दिन है which you will never forget. And ऊपर से your college friends are the ones who will stay with you lifelong. तो उन्हीं सब sweet और कमीने दोस्तों के लिए this song. Well, अब दोस्तों की बातें तो बहुत हुई, but now we have some father-son love happening out here. Well, that's because Akshay Kumar has tweeted recently saying, shooting double shifts in Bangkok, but there's always time for handstand competitions with my son. Guess who won? Well, guess करने के लिए अभी थोड़ा टाइम तो चाहिए होगा, right? तो कोई बात नहीं, एक ब्रेक लेते हैं. Till then, you guys keep talking to me on my Twitter handle @GoZoomIt.
Go zoom it. Go zoom it.
वैसे have you ever fallen into trouble for not remembering anniversaries? कोई पहले डेट की एनिवर्सरी, पहली मुलाकात की एनिवर्सरी, फर्स्ट किस एनिवर्सरी वगैरह वगैरह. बस अगर भूल गए तो फिर God can only help you. Well, इसी बात पे we have to see what our next request has to say, which is तुम ही हो बंधु, जो रिक्वेस्ट किया है प्रिंसेस नादिया ने for फहाद पटेल. और उनका मैसेज is, hey Fahad, I love you a lot and I will keep loving you. So I just want to remind you about our meeting anniversary. And I know that you have forgotten about it. So as usual, I'm here to remind you about this. So happy anniversary. चलिए, यहाँ पर तो शी इज बीइंग रियली स्वीट बाय इंस्टेड रिमाइंडिंग हिम। आई थिंक हर लड़का यही चाहेगा कि गर्लफ्रेंड हो तो ऐसी हो, लेकिन यू नो व्हाट, इन गाइस की यही प्रॉब्लम है, दे ऑलवेज हैव टू बी टोल्ड अबाउट एवरीथिंग। Well, so moving on, we have another request, which is a video request. So let's see.
मेरा नाम दिनेश है और मेरे बेटे का नाम है आदर्श, और उसे मैं चिंता का चीता चीता गाना डेडिकेट करना चाहता हूँ, क्योंकि वो गाना जब भी लगता है तो वो खड़े होकर नाचना चालू कर देता है, इसलिए ये गाना है उसके लिए।
Well, आदर्श का तो ये फेवरेट सॉन्ग है, and that's why he dances on it. And अगर आप लोग को भी ये गाना पसंद है तो जरा उठिए और इस गाने के साथ जरा डांस करिए and do some चिंताता. Well, if you're done dancing, I have a tweet for you by a dancer. Well, it is Prabhu Deva who has tweeted saying, "What a pose." Well, इस पिक्चर को देखकर तो यही लगता है, what a pose. Moving on, we have a break coming up, but you guys don't go anywhere. Keep talking to me on my Twitter handle @KoZoomIt, and I'll be right back.
Go zoom it. Go zoom it.
Hi again, guys. This is your social jockey Nikita, and you're watching Zoom It. We are in the middle of some awesome music being played out here. Well, moving on, let's look at our next request, which is तुम ही हो, जो request किया है माही ने for Alisha Pandey, and उनका message is, I want to share this song with you because you're the best thing that happened in my life lately. My bestie sister, love you. तुम नहीं होती तो शायद मैं कभी move on नहीं कर पाती. Thank you for always being there with me. Mwah. You know, आज हमारे पास हर टाइप के रिलेशनशिप मैसेजेस आए, एंड देयर गोज अनदर वन, बट यू नो व्हाट, योर मैसेज इज वेरी एप्ट. हमें मूव ऑन करते रहना चाहिए, एंड देयर शुड बी नो लुकिंग बैक. Well, moving on, guys, we have another Twitter update, which is by Varun Dhawan, and उन्होंने ट्वीट किया है, Hey guys, still from MTH. Well, अब ये तो पता चल गया कि वरुण, मैं तेरा हीरो में क्या हीरोगिरी दिखाने वाले हैं, लेकिन वो देखेंगे हम बाद में, बिकॉज अभी देखेंगे अपनी अगली रिक्वेस्ट, which is a video request. So let's see.
Hi, my name is Payal. I want to dedicate the song to my friend Pooja and Ritu. The name of song is बदतमीज दिल, because हम लोगों ने इतनी बदतमीजियाँ की हैं, and I miss her a lot and lot. Thank you.
लड़कियों की बदतमीजी sounds interesting. एक काम करना, next time ना जरा एक वीडियो भेजना अपनी सारी बदतमीजियों की, हम भी देखें what the girls are up to. So now I guess with all the lungi dancing, बदतमीजी, परेशानी, वेलापंती, कमीनापंती, we've come to an end of the show. लेकिन जाने से पहले I have to remind you that you have to keep sending in a request on apps.facebook.com/GoZoomIt and अपनी video request भेजते रहिएगा on GoZoomIt@gmail.com, and don't forget to keep chit-chatting with me on my Twitter handle @GoZoomIt. Till then, this is your social jockey Nikita saying goodbye, and don't just like it, go Zoom it.
Go